First and foremost, I want to express my congratulations to the state of Ghana for celebrating the 64th birthday. Ghana is 64 years old today, and we thank God for how far the Lord has brought us as a nation. Though things are not going the way 64-year-olds should be, we will still believe that God is working His purpose out. Gradually, we'll get to where we ought to be. This year, by the grace of God, we have had Synod, and this forms part of the new normal Synod, or the new term that has come to the world. Normally, our Synod takes either a whole day or 2 or 3 days maximum. For this year, because of the COVID-19, we have strategized in a way that we have the Synod, though not a normal, but a new normal, near the normal. So this year, what we have done is that the houses of clergy and laity met earlier on to look at the various documents that are available for consideration, and they came out with their decisions. The same applies to the House of Laity and House of Clergy. And then what we call the ACTA drafting committee have to look at those reports and then come out with decisions that will drive the diocese in the ensuing years. So this year's Synod, we only came to look at the decisions that have come out from the two houses and see what we can do about them. And so this year, we spent roughly an hour looking at our documents and decisions, and the other half of the day or the hours were spent on a Thanksgiving service. So in fact, this year, even though it's short a Synod, it has been very, very successful because we have had time to look at all the documents that were available to us and to come up with decisions that will move the diocese forward. In fact, we came out with 29 decisions, out of which 4 will be legal or binding on every member or every church in the diocese. This is a new altogether. Decisions are taken, sometimes we implement, sometimes we don't implement. But this time around, because we have enough time outside the Synod period to look at the documents, we have come out with a novel decisions that I believe will strongly drive the diocese the next years ahead of us. Well, I want to thank first and foremost all the delegates who came, but that's not the end of the story. They now have to go back and then disseminate the information that they have received from me. That's why we have given each member a copy of the decisions as well as the ACTA. So we want to play it with all the Synod delegates to go back and do justice to what they have been entrusted with. They should go back and propagate the good news of this year's Synod to every member. They should have time with the faithful to tell them where we are. And also the faithful must be willing to accept decisions that come from Synod, because that's the highest body of the church. And as such, if we take decisions from the Synod and we don't implement them or abide by it, it becomes waste of resources and time, coming all over to spend days and time, money, and then nothing comes out of that. So my word to the faithful is that they should cooperate with the church. We are one. Only their leadership positions and their staff or clerk or the other side of the story. So it's our prayer that all of us together will work towards the growth and development of our diocese, because our policy or our vision is that if we build, they will come. So if the we stands for all faithful of the Anglican Church, we need to abide by it so that our church will grow from strength to strength. Once again, I wish Ghana a happy anniversary, and I pray that we should observe the protocols, because COVID-19, most of the variant, is deadly and stingy. We need to look at it so that we don't get attacked by it. God bless our nation, God bless our citizens, and God bless the year 2021 for us.